Welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. Today we are going to switch gears and crack open an Auto World case for you. 2022. This is release 3. All right, so a little slow on the arrivals here for Auto World, but that's quite all right. So I get sealed cases from 3000 Toys just to see if I can pull a ultra red here. So first up is the 75 Cadillac Coupe DeVille in this very nice Greenbriar Firemist poly. Green on green on green. Very nice. Next up is a acid yellow Jeep. This is the 2017 Wrangler Chief Edition. All right, cool. We have a grabber blue 2012 Mustang GTCS, the CS standing for California Special. Okay, neat. Here we have the 65 Ford GT40 Mark 1, the street edition, street version there, in silver. What else we got? We got a Touareg 2019 Challenger RT Scat pack. Nice, more of an orange there, of course. I always think this casting would have looked better with mirrors, but what do I know? And finally is the Sunfire red poly 64 Pontiac Grand Prix Royal Bobcat. So pretty cool there. All right. So again, 2022 Auto World Release 3. This is version A. All 6 of those cars. I'm going to open up version B shortly. See you there.